What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, in a place, in your face. And today I'm doing one of my childhood favorites. I haven't had them in a while because the quality of Dairy Queen is just not what it used to be. But when I was a child, my favorite was those steak fingers from Dairy Queen. And if you ain't from Texas, I don't know if they have any other states, but Dairy Queen, back in the 80s, early 90s, that's what it was. That's what it was. I used to always go get them delicious steak fingers. Oh, those was the good old days. Yeah, those was the good old days. So come on in and let's make these steak fingers with our homemade gravy, baby. Yeah. All right, family, here's our ingredients rundown. We got Lawry seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, flour, salt and pepper mix, clarified butter, cube steak, milk and egg mix, and seasoned flour. And also, family, as I was making the gravy, the video came out crooked, so I edited that part out, but I will have the ingredients and the instructions, directions in the description. Now let's season it. Lawry seasoning salt. Let's get some of that on there. Yeah. Let's get some of our onion powder. There we go. Get some of that on there as well. Let's get our garlic powder. Get that in there too. There we go. That black pepper, baby. Gotta have that black pepper. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Now let's flip it over. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now let's cut it. Just gonna use about 2 fingers to measure it. There you go, just like that. We're gonna get them in some nice, good strips. There we go. Looking just like that. We working, baby. Yeah. Check us out. That's our steak fingers. Fun fact. Did you know 77.4% of men were chefs and head cooks in the restaurant industry, and only 22.6 were women? Score 1 for the men, baby. Ladies, better get your man that can cook. Now back to our recipe. Now we're going to dredge them. We're going to hit it with the seasoned flour first. So let's just get our chicken finger. Look at me. Let's get our steak finger. Not chicken, baby. Steak. Get our steak finger and our flour first. We're going to kind of smash it down. Make sure that flour is good and sticking to that steak finger. Now let's dip it in the egg, just like that. Egg and milk mix, that is. There we go. Let it drip a little bit. Put it back in the flour. We're just going to flour it the same way. Just cover it up. Give it a good little smash. Just like that. There we go. Oh, yeah. It's going to be some good old steak fingers, baby. Yeah, got that seasoned flour in there. Ooh, look at that. It's going down. It is going down. So let's just repeat the process. Until they all done and they look like that. Oh yeah. Now we got our oil hot already. Let's go ahead and drop them in the oil. And you don't want to overcrowd your pan. And we're gonna put 3 in now. I'm gonna scoop one over, put 1 more in now. And we're just gonna let these cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side till they become golden brown. Let's check them. Let's check them and see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Coming out just fine, baby. Coming out just fine. Okay, okay. Let's get the rest of them flipped over. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they are done. And this is what they look like right here when they are done. Let's get them out of here. Oh, look at that. Full of flavor, nice and crispy. Steak fingers, baby. Yeah. Look at that right there. Ooh. That's it, family. That is it. One of my all-time favorites. Okay, okay. Yeah. There we go. We're going to drop our last batch in there. As you can see, we got our last batch. Get that last one in there. We're going to get them finished cooked off. We're going to pull them out. Look at it. Look at it. Take a look at it. Sexy, ain't it? Yeah, that's sexy. Let's get them all out of there. There we go. Steak fingers, baby. All right, family. That is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious steak fingers, y'all. Check us out. See what we made? Let's see how it tastes. We got the gravy on our steak finger. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ladies, I told y'all at the beginning, get you a man that can cook. Because this is it right here, baby. This is it right here. Nice, tender, seasoned perfectly. Does a belly good. All right, family, that's another one. We done made. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. Also, share it with your people. Leave a comment at the bottom. Tell me what you think about the percentage of men being chefs and cooks over women being chefs and cooks. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, baby. Finna go eat. Yeah.